Do you struggle with mental health? You set a goal you want to achieve, you start doing it, but you can't even focus. You're not alone. More than 20% of people on this planet Earth are depressed, they're lonely, and they have bad mental health. So, you're not alone. And I'm here to tell you that I was the same, and it is possible to change your life. You just have to put in the work. Life is not an easy game, and who said it wasn't going to be hard? Wake up to the challenge and actually win in life. Let's get straight to it. Find your why. The only thing that turned my life, that changed my life from a porn addict, a video game addict, and just somebody who had no purpose in life was staying dedicated towards a goal that I've set. So there are two simple steps towards finding your why and actually getting disciplined in life. The first one is finding your purpose. What I want you to do is go to an empty room, an empty place where there are no distractions, no sign of humanity, and just sit there and ask yourself, what do I love to do? What are my passions? And your purpose will automatically come into your mind. Now, now that you found your purpose, I want you to branch it out into different goals that you have to achieve one by one. Branch your purpose out into manageable goals. Now, I want you to be big and egoistic with these, but not too egoistic. Be reasonable as well. So, now that you've set your goals, get straight to it. What are you waiting for? Go on monk mode. So, monk mode is basically a period of some amount of days in which you work your ass off. You don't leave a single drop of energy in the tank. You work, you work, you work, you work, you work. And then you take an intense amount of rest as well. And uh, and I'm telling you, it's the thing that actually made me disciplined in life. So it's a cheat code towards becoming disciplined and consistent. If you want more information about this, you can watch my video on it as well. Circle of influence. You are the average of the five people you hang out with the most. And these people influence the actions and decisions you make. I don't have to tell you this. You know this already. If you have video gamer friends, you will be a video gamer. If they take drugs, you will be forced to take drugs as well to fit in. And you should know that these kind of relationships aren't good for you. So the first step is cut all the bad relationships out and actually find high value people to hang out with. High value people with good morals and who are actually disciplined and consistent towards their goals. They're not stagnant, they're constantly evolving and improving. I want you to find those kind of people. Similarly, I want you to unfollow all the Kim Kardashians or stop watching Mr. Beast because if you're trying to make money from getting disciplined, you don't have to watch all these people like Casey Neistat and Mr. Beast. Instead, I want you to follow people like Hamza, Iman Gaji, me, Dan Ko, whatever. People who actually motivate you and force you towards achieving your goals. It's that simple. Delete social media. Now, this is the ultimate tip I'm giving to you right now, and it worked really well, sir. I deleted Instagram and it has changed my life. So, basically, I want you to delete Instagram right now. It won't make a big difference to your life. You're just watching a bunch of reels and worsening your life day by day. Do something with it. And this is the best tip to actually remove distractions and go all in on your goals. So yeah, delete Instagram and all forms of social media right now. You will stop comparing yourself and actually start caring about yourself. Because stop hurting yourself. Start working towards caring about yourself. Start working out. If you're just a beginner to this is gonna change your life. So I want you to get a gym membership or buy some dumbbells and start working out. It is gonna change your life. It changed mine. It gave me a sense of self confidence and belief in me that I can do hard things. And it will work wonders for anyone who does it. So, that was the ultimate guide to improving yourself mentally. What were some of the best tips that you learned from this? And I really want to hear about your insights on this. And remember, I'm vouching for you, and yeah, action over words.